got everything apart, and found standpipe, dummy plug blown out, put those back in, put everything back together, tried to start it. It's at 375 psi, and it builds there kind of slow. Like it goes, you know, 18, 35, 78, you know, 200, and then it finally gets up to 375 when it should just be a really fast climb. So we're gonna figure out why this thing's not building up to 500, and I'll let you guys know what I find. Here at a 2006 F550 that we got running when it had counterfeit motorcraft parts and a blown out standpipe, OEM and non-OEM. And that can be the difference of your truck running or not running. Anyways. Now the shop who had it before me told him his motor was bad and they put that counterfeit IPR valve in. So really they caused the issue and they charged him $350 for it, which is retail at Ford. Be careful you do your work.